Hey everybody, we're here at Division Expo and we are going to do a full demo of our new software app called Mobile Guys Documentation Toolbox. I love to call it MGDT. So MGDT is an online data management system that allows you to put all of the diagnostic data from all of your equipment, including all of your scan tools, scopes, your laptops, tablets, your phones even, all of your documentation for your customers in an online place so it's all centrally located. Now, the other side of that equation, that all happens automatically. I have automatic uploader programs that go on the tools to automatically make that happen. Once that happens, there's a server management component on the server side that allows you to automatically generate reports and compile data in a efficient way so that you can put your reports together to deliver to your customers. I'm going to show you how it works. So we're going to create a new job. All right, we're going to choose our technician. We're going to say that it was Colette. All right, and we're going to choose our shop. Now, I have about 150 shops in my directory normally. I don't want to go through that whole list. So I will typically start typing it. So I'm going to say, this is going to be for a guy who does it cheaper automotive. All right. So we got guy who does it cheaper automotive. And we're going to figure out what tool was used. Colette used my 906 Pro. All right. And what it'll do is each tool has its own folder on the server. And in that directory, you're going to see all the PDF scans from that tool. And in this case, we're doing my mother-in-law's Acura MDX. All right. So notice that when it pulls the data from the scan report, it actually gives you when the job occurred. It gives you the VIN, customer name, year, make, model, and it asks, do I want to create a folder? Okay, so it actually says, do we want to use the existing? But if it didn't exist, it would ask you if you wanted to create it. And would you want to create guy who does it cheaper automotive, customer name, year, make, model, and VIN is the name of the directory for the job. All right. So now we're going to choose what we did. And in this case, we may have done a millimeter wave radar. So we did a millimeter wave radar on this car. All right. We also, since it's a Honda, probably did a seat weight sensor. And we probably did an all sensor, but I'm not going to go through the trouble of finding that, or because I actually would have to go back and add that. It's no big deal. So this selects what jobs we did. All right. So now we're going to go to Find Files. All right. And the Find Files browser loads all files that were uploaded from all tools on the day that that job was done. If the job was done across multiple days, you can change the dates and it will show all the data for those dates. Well, once your data is loaded, you click Automatic Find. And what it does is it actually scrubs all these files for the VIN. All right. So you'll notice there's our scan report, right? There's our VIN, and it actually puts the VIN up here of the job you're working on. So you can make sure you're selecting the right files, but it found our files. Okay. Now, when I uploaded these, I actually uploaded them later, like actually I think today, because I forgot to upload them at the same time. So I'm going to select these two. These are actually pictures of the job being done. All right. So let's see here. I am going to copy files. These don't have the VIN in them anyways. All right. And we're going to load all of our job data from our server to our job here, to our preview. All right. But notice when guy that does it cheaper automotive was selected, right, it automatically selected the template for that shop. All right. So because it selected the template, it also wrote the full service notes for you automatically using a template. All right. Typically with the collision restoration stuff I do, what I say is pretty canned. So notice it says successfully performed Acura seat weight sensor initialization, seatbelt inspection, and millimeter wave radar static calibration per service information direction, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So now we're going to create our document. And you can change what this says. All you have to do is changing the templates over here. I don't think I got it. There, I got it. I'm having some network issues here. Their internet at this convention center is really slow. It's not great. Because this usually doesn't take this long. All right. All right, so there's our write-up for our job. There's our service notes, what we did on our letterhead. There's our pre-scan, post-scan. Oh, our pictures here. Oh, this isn't cool. Our pictures, we're going to have to do something because they came in sideways. All right, well, let's do... Normally, when you want to change stuff like this, you actually have to go into like Paint or Photoshop or something like that. So I just clicked on Edit in the app, and we're going to edit this. All right. I don't really need to mark this up. Notice it already flipped it. It was just something about the way it came in. This was, I got to make sure, a guy who does it cheaper automotive. There they are. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I do. All right. There, we just fixed that one. And let's say... down here, oh, this one's sideways too, but I don't like that it has the customer's license plate in it, okay? So let's say we want to get the customer's license plate out of it, all right? We're going to edit. This is our vehicle, by the way. I'm actually showing, I don't know that I said, but this is my mother-in-law's. I think I said that it's my mother-in-law's Acura, but we're going to save, we're going to mark it up. All right. And I'm going to mark out the license plate. Okay. I'm going to save it. All right, there's our edited picture. And let's say that, oh, you know, I just realized I don't need this screenshot. I have two of them, okay? I'm going to delete that one, okay? And then, oh, crap. Well, you know what? Oh, that one, this one here. Oh, I want to put this, I want to move this one up. It's in the wrong place. So you can reorganize, restructure, add, delete, edit, whatever you want. When you get your report the way you like it, you hit merge. Would I like to view it in the directory? Sure. So all of this was created, including the folder itself, while you guys watch this. And the process is typically done in my business by the technicians in the field. So at the office, basically all we do is attach this file that's compressed and merged to our, well, in our case, Rev ADAS report. We just attach it to the document package and then create our invoice and our work order, attach the document, attach this under add documentation, and we hit send and it's done. So when I first started my business, one of the biggest things I ran into was I would get up at 4 in the morning. I'm having some serious internet problems here. All right, so there's our report. So one of the biggest things that we ran into was I would get up at 4 in the morning and start doing invoices, and it would get to be 8 o'clock, and I would realize that it's 8 o'clock, I need to go out and work, but all my tickets aren't sent. I was spending about a half an hour to 40 minutes per ticket building everything that's in that folder and chasing all the tools with USB sticks to get all the data put together. And now I've gone from 30 minutes to 40 minutes per ticket to about less than 5. It's completely changed my life, and I never intended it to be any kind of a product, but it's changed my life so profoundly that I had a friend that said, dude, you've got to get this out so people can use it. So I just wanted to take this time to show this to you guys and just share my heart and share how much this has changed things for my existence. You guys take care. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next one.